The wave of businesses and people leaving California for Texas has caught the eye of two of the country's top universities. Professors at the University of Texas and Stanford teamed up on a study comparing the two states' economic policies, primarily taxation. KXAN's Tom Miller talked with UT professor Sheila Olmstead about what they discovered.
Why did you want to make this comparison, looking at the differences between Texas and California?
I think the key question again, right, is, can we causally link these, higher expenditures in California with better outcomes? And what we found in our study is that in some cases, there's evidence that, that for sure. And in other cases, it's harder to say.
California is spending a lot more money on education than Texas is. Do the results show that the education system is better there?
California spends quite a bit more per student. I think the comparison is something like $16,000 per year per individual in California and maybe $10,000 in Texas. And yet, Texas's high school graduation rate is higher.
There I see California is spending more protecting the environment. Does it have better environmental outcomes as a result?
California has struggled, especially with urban air pollution. And on the whole, those urban air pollution problems in California are still quite severe relative to other parts of the country, including Texas. I think the answer is that it would be actually much worse in California if they didn't have those more stringent regulations.
California spends way more on healthcare than Texas does. Does it have better healthcare outcomes as a result?
Yeah, I would say that's one of those areas where in the study, it's pretty unequivocal, right, in terms of, access to insurance, access to healthcare, especially among low-income individuals.
Were you able to reach a conclusion on whether California's big government approach is faring better or worse than Texas's limited government approach?
When we think about states as laboratories for democracy, California and Texas are wonderful examples because they have such different approaches. It's interesting, right, that both models can work in different ways, but they both have their limits.
Professor Sheila Olmstead with the University of Texas, thanks for your time.
Thanks so much, Tom.